Hey friends, it's Jenna, also known as Empty Hanger, and today I have one of my favorite things, and I think it might be some of y'all's favorite things as well. It is a box of inventory from my grandma. So if you're new here, I am a full-time fashion and clothing seller on the Poshmark app. My grandma lives up in New York City. She loves to thrift, loves to thrift, and she's really good at it. So she sends me boxes of inventory down here in Georgia. I get to list them on my Poshmark and sell them. So I'm gonna open this box up with you guys and show you everything inside. I'm gonna estimate what I'll be pricing things at. If you wanna look at my Poshmark closet, I will link it down in the description box below so you can see what prices I actually list things at, or if you wanna see more details about stuff. And yeah, let's go ahead and open up the box. Okay, so this box, she sent FedEx. Sometimes she sends it FedEx and sometimes she sends it USPS. I think it just depends on what is cheapest, but this box is 13 pounds, so that's pretty heavy. And I'm pretty sure for heavier items, it's cheaper to send it FedEx. So that's just a tip for you all. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this open without cutting myself or any of the stuff that's inside. All right, get this situated. Tissue on top, always important. The first item we have is this workout tank top, and I can tell from the sign on the back, it is a Lululemon workout tank. It's got really lightweight bottom and it has a built-in bra. So I love Lululemon tanks. I'll probably list this one at, I would say $30 for this. So that's a great find. Next up, I see a graphic tee, which graphic tees, if you've been following me, you know are one of my favorite items. So this is a burnout graphic tee, and it says Night Moves of New York. So that's pretty cool. Night Moves of New York. It's oversized, and it is by We the Free. I don't know if you're going to be able to see because it's pretty sheer, but it's We the Free, which is free people, and I'm probably going to list this. It's very oversized and big. I'll probably list this at $35. I love this. I would definitely wear this myself, and I think it's a great find for Poshmark. Free People does very well. All right, next we have another workout tank top. She finds quite a bit of Lululemon, which I know a lot of people like to work out, and there's a bunch of, you know, Lululemon stores up in New York. I don't find it that much in Atlanta, even though I see people wearing it, but this is just your basic Lululemon racerback workout tank top. There's the logo on the back. And this one, I will say, it does have a little bit of wear. I'll probably list this one around $20 to $25. Still a great find. I love the print on that one. And I think I see quite a bit of workout stuff, so like I said, she finds a lot of it, so we'll probably go through some tank tops. So this is another workout tank. It's blue. It's a looser fit, and this one's actually Athleta, so let's see if you can see the logo. It's a little bit faint there, but there's the label, so it's Athleta. I'll probably list this one around $25. That one's in excellent condition. And then we have a super bright pink magenta colored tank top. This one has some sheer stripes throughout it, so I don't kind of tell right there. And then this one's also Athleta. So there's the label. So again, I'll probably do $25 on that one. All right, I see a cool t-shirt, and this one is Leonard Skinner. So you can see it's a Leonard Skinner graphic tee. It says Southern Rock. It's Gildan, which is just like a regular t-shirt brand, but I love selling band tees, rock and roll tees. I just think these are so cool. They can be, you know, unisex, men's or women's. This, I believe, is a men's fit, but of course a woman can wear it. So I'll probably list this one around $25 to $30 for that band tee. All right, we have a Soul Cycle tank top. So it's a super soft graphic tank top. It's the Soul Cycle brand, size small, and I'll probably list this at $25. I love selling these. We just got Soul Cycle in Atlanta. We never had it before, so I never found this, but she finds a ton of it, so I like that. All right, we have another workout tank top, and this one's scoop neck. It has some mesh detailing on the front, and then it's got a floral print. And what I really like about this one is the cutout back with the built-in sports bra. It is Lululemon. There's the symbol, and this one has a little more going on than some of the other ones. I'll probably start this one at $35 just because it's a little bit more of a nicer workout tank top. So good find on that one, Grandma. This one is one of those more plain, just racerback tank tops, and it's gray, but it has this black stripe down the side, which that's pretty cool. It is Lululemon. There's the symbol. So this one I'll list at $25. So again, the more plain ones I do at $25. Okay, next I see some tie-dye. I love tie-dye stuff. Ooh, and I really like this. This is a Guns N' Roses tank top. So it's kind of a gray ombre. It's by Bravado, which they make a lot of band tees. And I'll list this at $25. That's really cute. That's perfect for my Poshmark closet. This top is new with tags. Look how cute that is. It says, have a day. I guess it means you can have whatever day you want because you can fill in if you want to have a smiley or a sad face. But anyways, that's cute. It's junk food. And this one was new with tags for $38. So I will probably list this at $30. Super cute. Okay, we have another workout tank top. This one is Lululemon again, and it's a size 6. It's white, and this one's really cool. It has the split opening in the back, so you can wear it open, you can tie it up. I don't know if you can see it there, but I know from selling this before, it's a more popular style, so white is also really hard to come by in good condition, so I'll probably list this at $35. More athletic stuff. This one is a neon orange polo shirt. It's women's, and it is by Athleta. So that's a great little tennis top. I'll probably list this. It's making my color go like in and out. I'll probably list this one at $30. I think that's really nice. I feel something super soft, and it's plaid, and it's not buttoned, but it is a button-down plaid shirt. It is kind of a baby blue and pink, and the brand is Rails, which I love selling Rails. This one's an extra small, and I'll probably list this at $45 to start. They retail for almost $150, so that's a great find because they do hold their value. And then we have a soccer or a football jersey, and it is Messi, which is one of the best players. So I am going to get this listed ASAP. I list everything pretty quickly, but especially because the World Cup is going on, so we definitely want to get the soccer jersey listed. Honestly, I have no idea what these go for. This one is Nike. It's a Nike Dry Fit Large, and I think it's a women's. So I have to look that up. I'm not going to say a price because it could go for a lot. Okay, and then we have another, I want to say this is the same as the other Lululemon tank top. The first one I showed, it's very similar if it's not the exact same with the Lulu on the back. So $30 on that one. Let's see, we've got another workout top. And this one is like a thicker knit fitted tank, and then it has a loose tank top on top, and then you can also drawstring or cinch up the sides, and that's really nice. So this one's by Athleta, and Athleta, if you're not familiar, it does show the style number on the inside of the tag. So if you look for the care label, and at the very bottom it says style number down there, you can actually look that up, Google Athleta and the style number, and it tells you the name. So I'll probably list this one at $35. That's really good quality. Okay, this is a navy blue, again a workout or athletic tank, and it's just got a skinny bright red strip down the back of it, and it is by Athleta. I really like selling Athleta. It does pretty much just as well as Lululemon for me. It's very popular. Their fabric and the quality is really good. I'll probably list this one at $30. But I definitely pick up Athleta in addition to Lululemon. Grandma does too. And also I really like Zella, but I haven't found that lately. So athletic wear always does really well. This is another, it's the cool racerback, this basic racerback tank top by Lululemon. And I'll list this one at $25. So if you guys are into Lululemon, check out my closet because we've got a lot going up. Lululemon and Athleta. Yet another Lululemon tank. This one looks brand new. I've never seen this style. So it's kind of a mesh outer layer and it has this whole built-in sports bra with the logo on the back. It still has the tag in it. It's a size 2. Like I said, it looks brand new. I'll probably list this at $35. Got another. This also, oh my gosh, this looks just like the other one. I really think this is the exact same as the other ones that I had. So I'll have a bunch of these in my closet too. Again, $30 on that one. That Lululemon. This is another Lululemon. I think she has like the Lululemon magnet. All the Lululemon goes to my grandma. So sorry if you're in her thrifting area because she gets it all. This one's a size 12, so that's a great size. That's the biggest size that Lululemon makes. And this one's really good quality and it's black. I'll probably list it at $35. Another workout tank top. This one is like a neon peachy coral color. And let's see. It is Athleta. So I'll probably list this one $30, $35. I need to look up that style. It feels really nice. Another Lululemon cool racerback tank top. This one's like a gray striped, $25. Okay, this is another Lululemon. This style is different. It's like a really stretchy material with a built-in bra and it has this super skinny racer back on it. And then this one, with this type of material, they usually put the size in the lining, like on the very bottom of the hem. So if you can see right there, it's a size 10. So that's just inside the bottom of the tank top. If you don't know where to look and there's no size tag, this one's the same way. So this is another Lululemon. This is the Swiftly, I believe the Swiftly Tech tank top. And again, for this type of material, if you're looking for the size, it's gonna be inside the hem. So this one's a size 4. So there's ways to look it up, even though people rip out the tag of Lululemon because, you know, it's kind of annoying. It hangs right there. Okay, we have a SoulCycle tank top. This one is super cute. It's got mesh all the way around the sleeves. And then it has the logo on the back as well. It's an extra small. I will say this one does have some wear. I need to like trim these little fuzzies. I'll probably list this one at $20, a little bit lower on that one, just because it has a little wear, but still a good find because people love wearing those to their SoulCycle class. This looks like one of the other Lululemons we had earlier. So it's a racerback Lululemon tank and size 10 on this one. It still has the tag. So probably $35 on that gray one. No idea what this is. I thought it was a scarf at first, but no, it's a tank top. Okay, we've got a, how does this work? Okay, it's a floral gray and black tank top, and it's kind of shorter in the front with these cutaway sides. And again, Lululemon. So my whole closet, whenever you see activewear in there, or this much activewear, shout out to Grandma, because I just never find this kind of quantity and quality of athletic wear, and I love it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, we have some Lululemon. There's the back. Hold on, there it is. Kind of hard to see in the lights, but there's the logo. These are the Wonder Under, and they're like a really thick knit with a great geometric pattern. These are a size 2. So those, I'm gonna look up the print, but probably $60 on the full length leggings. Camera died for a minute, but we're back. So we have a lacy black crop top. It's very oversized. It has these huge like poncho type of sleeves, and it is by Free People. So this is an older Free People tag, but it still does well. This is just, you know, your basic black top. So I'll probably list that at $30 to $35. And then I see another band tee or graphic tee. So a lot of times she'll look to see what I'm listing. So she'll go to my closet, my Poshmark closet, search just in, and she's probably seen that I've listed a ton of band tees lately. So she found this Johnny Cash one. This one is super cool. I like this. It's so thin, it's so soft. The brand looks really nice. I've never heard of this, Lloyd Hoffman. So that could be something. I'm gonna look it up, but maybe 30 or 35 on that because it does seem very nice quality. Okay, and then we have some black workout pants. These are more of a wide leg. There's the Lululemon logo. I think this style is the Astro with this, what do you call that? Like a crossover waistband. So I think that's called the Astro pant. I'm gonna look it up, but these are a size 4. Probably like 50 on those maybe. Okay, we've got another pair of workout capris, and this looks like a pair. I sold a pair very similar to this last week with the split in the back. So they're a crop, but they're kind of a looser crop instead of the skinny, and I think I sold them for 40 or 50. So I'll probably list these at 50. Then we've got some denim shorts. You can't go wrong with some denim cutoff shorts. These have flowers all over them with rhinestone embellishments. They're pink Victoria's Secret, size 2. I'll list these at $25. And then the final thing in here is a pair of overalls. So these are some overall shorts, which I love overall shorts. And these are American Eagle, and they're a size medium. So this is perfect, on trend, great for summer. I'll probably list these at $40. That is it for my box from Grandma. So I love everything. Great finds, amazing stuff. I am gonna go ahead and get it all ready, get it photographed, and get it listed ASAP. Like I mentioned before, if you're interested in anything or if you want to see what it looks like listed, go ahead and check out my Poshmark closet down in the description box at EMPTYHANGER if you search on the Poshmark app. And thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, give Grandma a thumbs up for all those amazing finds, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.